Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and I do beauty and lifestyle videos here on my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a unboxing video for you guys. I'm going to be unboxing the MAC Cosmetics Advent Calendar. I actually got this gifted to me and this was purchased at the Ulta Beauty website. I'm pretty sure you can buy it at MAC Cosmetics, but this one's from Ulta. I'm very excited to try this. Advent calendars have been something that's been huge recently. You know, people do it for like kid toys, for makeup. So there's a bunch of different advent calendar makeup related stuff that you can get. I just wanted to do an unboxing because maybe you want to purchase this yourself. Maybe you want to gift it to somebody else. But you don't know how the things look or what is inside each little slot. So I'm going to do an unboxing to show you guys what is in each little slot. Before we get right into it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, I have an Instagram account, so if you guys want to check me out on there, I will leave it right here so you guys can go check me out. And yeah, let's just get right into the video. I'm like excited, but kind of like, because I don't want to open it. It just looks super pretty. Look at this. Oh my goodness, it just looks amazing. So I'm just gonna rip right through it. I'm gonna save the bow though, because I feel like the bow is super cute. So I'm gonna save that. Okay. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like. It's a little star and it says MAC on it. Oh my God, I'm excited. Oh my God. Guys, this is so pretty. Oh my goodness, look. This is so cool. This is so cute. Oh my God. Okay, so when I heard about this little advent calendar, I did do a little bit of research and I wanted to see what was inside of it. So there are travel size products in here, but there's also full size products. So there's a mix of both. All the products, supposedly on the site, it says that everything in the box retails for $300, but you get a discount of $195. So you're saving a pretty penny. And also, guys, if you buy this off of Ulta, if you have a rewards program or anything like that, you can totally just get a discounted price on this. It comes with a little bag. Look at this. I'm gonna put all of my little stuff that I get in here, so that's cute. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, all right, so this is what it looks like. Super duper cute. I'm just gonna go right in. Okay, so this is number one. What's in here? So much paper. Okay. Oh, this is like a little mini. Okay, so they're minis. Okay, they're minis, but it's so cute. This is in the shade Russian red, and it's a really beautiful red. You can wear this on Christmas, on the holidays. A really beautiful red lip. Let's open up number two. Oh, cute. Okay, this is a eyeshadow. So I don't know if you guys can see that. And it's like a shimmery eyeshadow. It's called Beauty Marked. And I'm going to swatch this for you guys. Oh, okay. That is really pretty. So I'm going to do a little swatchy-roo right here. Very pigmented, really pretty. I'm excited. Okay, right, number three. This feels like a good size product. Oh my God, this is their lip gloss. Okay, I've never tried this, so I'm very excited. And this is their lip gloss. So it's a clear gloss. I feel like this is such a good product to have because you can just put this on top of any lipstick. It's a very sticky feeling, which I'm like about glosses, but the gloss itself looks really pretty. Okay, so far so good. Okay, now four. Where is four? Right here. Okay. Okay. Oh my God. This is like Christmas. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is their, what is this? This is, I guess this is like a little glitter. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is like a loose shimmer kind of thing. Oh my God, that's really pretty. Okay, I'm gonna put it right here so you guys can see. So I don't know if you guys can see. It's like a very light pinky, loose shimmer situation. It's a loose pigment. So yeah, this is really pretty. You guys can see that right there. Next number is number 6. Okay, so this is, I think this is, yes, this is another little mini lip. And this is in the shade Yash. So this is more of a nudie pink. And I think it's really pretty. Next is number 7 right here. Okay, this is their Prep and Prime. Can you guys see that? Cool. So I've never tried this. I've tried the Prep and Prime for like the under eye. I've never tried their lip Prep and Prime, which is basically kind of like a lip balm, I would say, just, you know, before applying your lipstick. So I really like it. I'm going to swatch it on my hand. It feels very moisturizing, so I really like that. I feel like this is a full-size product, if I'm not mistaken. And oh, and the packaging's cute. It has kind of like a little glitter shimmer to it. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't think you guys can see. I don't think the camera's gonna pick it up. Number 8. Oh, here. Ooh, okay, this is a lip gloss. I've never tried their lip gloss, and this is in the shade Please Me. Oh my god, Please Me. All right. And this is, okay, it feels kind of like a gloss, but stickier. This is very pinky nude, but like a very light pinky nude. I'm not sure if I would wear this. I feel like I would wear this on top of like a darker pink, just because I feel like if I wear too much of a nude, it just makes me look kind of weird. Okay, I guess it washes me out a little bit. So I really like that shade. It's really pretty, but I don't know if I would wear this on my skin tone. I feel like it might look weird, but it looks pretty, and it is a travel size. Okay, next, number 9. Where's number 9? Oh, here. This is their cleanse off oil. So I'm assuming this is to take off your makeup, if I'm not mistaken. And this is a travel size. Yeah, this is to take off your makeup. So I just tested out on the lip swatch that I did. And this is basically a cleansing oil to take off your makeup. So that's what that is. Number 10. Okay, I feel like this is gonna be another eyeshadow for sure. And it is. Okay, cool. This is Expensive Pink. Kind of like a pinky, peachy undertone kind of situation here. I'm gonna swatch it. Oh my god, these are so pretty. Look, do you guys see? That's a really, really pretty color. Okay, nice. Okay, and what I like about these is that you can also depot them. So if you don't want to keep them in these little jar situations, you can always depot them and put them in a palette. So that's nice. Number 11. Feels like a full-size product. Okay, I'm excited. I'm excited. Okay, this is their brow set. I'm a huge fan of using brow gel. I really love brow gel. I can't live without brow gel. I use brow gel even if I'm just not gonna wear makeup. Even if I don't wear makeup, I will go in with brow gel and I would just set my brows. I feel like it's a must. It just makes it look cleaner, and I hate the thought of having like fuzzy brows everywhere. So I like to go in with brow gel just to make my brows look a lot more polished. So I haven't tried the MAC Cosmetics brow set, but I do like this packaging. The packaging looks really, really pretty. Very sleek. I love that. Okay, number 12. I feel like this is gonna be a mini lipstick. Yes, okay. Another mini lipstick. Okay, this is in the shade Cockney. Okay, I don't know what that means. Looks really pretty. I will show you guys with the other lipstick that was on here. So, oh, okay. So this is the shade Cockney, and then this has a little bit more of like shimmer in it, kind of. And this is the other shade that I had, which is Russian Red. So you guys can see the difference between Russian Red, which is this one, and then Cockney, which is this one. Cockney is a little bit more brighter, and Russian Red's a little bit more deeper. And they're really pretty. So just wanted to show you guys the comparison, just so you guys don't think like, oh, it's the same one. Nay, it's not. This is 13. Another eyeshadow. Ooh, this is cute. Okay, this is in the shade Shroom. I really like this to set my eyes. I feel like it's a very nice shade to do that. Just to kind of set your concealer. Really, really pretty. Love it. 14. Okay, what is this? This is another loose pigment, and this is in the shade Vanilla. Okay. I like loose pigments because they're really pretty. I don't like them though because they can get messy. So that's the only thing. It's kind of like a little goldish undertone, I would say. Kind of. Looks really pretty. Okay, next, number 15. Okay, this is another little mini, and this is the Natural Radiance base. I think it's a base. Yeah, illuminating base, and it's in the shade Radiant Pink. So I'm not sure if I'm going to actually like this because it's a pinky undertone. I don't like looking pink, even though I have pink eyeshadow on. But ooh, actually, oh, that's really pretty. Okay, so I just blended it out on my hand, and you guys can see my hand looks a lot more radiant than this one. This doesn't have anything, and this one's a lot more radiant. Like you guys can see. Oh, there you go. Do you guys see that little glow? That's really pretty. Okay, change my mind. Like it. Okay, next, number 16. Take that out of the way. This is another little mini lip, and ooh, this is cute. This is in the shade Sin, and this is a dark brownie burgundy color. I don't know if you guys can see that. There you go. Really, really pretty. Like it very much. Next number is 17. Okay, this is another lip gloss, and this is in the shade Explicit. Really, really pretty. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys right here. So it has like a nice little goldy tones. I like it. It looks brown in the bottle. It doesn't really look that flattering, but once you swatch it, it's pretty light. I like it. Pretty color. Next, number 18. Oh my god, we're almost done. I don't want it to be over. Oh my god, this is another eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Cork. I love this. This is like a perfect transition shade for doing eye looks. Really, really pretty. Cute. Next number, either 18, 19. This is another loose pigment. This is in the shade Melon. You guys can see that right there. And I'm gonna see if I can swatch it for you guys. I think it's gonna, there you go. Orangey little shimmery color. It's really pretty. Nice little pigment. Next. All right, so we're almost done. Next is 20. And this is another little mini lipstick. So this is in the shade Pink Pigeon, and this is a bright hot pink shade. Really, really pretty. You guys can see that. It's a very Barbie pink kind of shade. Number 21. This is another lip gloss, and it's called Very Go Lightly, and this is a shade that I feel like I would use a lot. It's a very nice champagne-y shade. Ooh, yeah, this is really pretty. The other one that I showed you guys was a little bit deeper, and this one is just gorgeous. Pretty. Next number is 22. This is another eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Satin Taupe. Really pretty. Has a little light shimmer to it. All right, guys, we're almost done. Next is 23. All right, guys, this is another mini lip. Oh god, this is in the shade Relentlessly Red. So I'm not sure if I like that they added another red. I would have preferred like a mauve shade. Maybe that would have been nicer. But it is Christmas, so I get the red. It's a really pretty color. Maybe I just thought that maybe like a mauve color would have been nice to add, you know, just for like everyday use, but it's a nice trade. Next is 24, and I think this is the last box, if I'm not mistaken. Oh my god, guys, this is the last one. Okay. Oh, this is a keychain. Oh, this is so cute. Okay. This is, open it up. I can even hang it on my tree. This is so pretty. This is a little MAC Cosmetics keychain. I love that they added that little purple star in the middle just because it matches the box. But that is so pretty. Oh my god, you can put this on your keys and your purse. It's really pretty. There's 25 days of Christmas. I mean, it's 24 days until Christmas, and I feel like this little bag is like the 25th, you know, gift. And I like that everything fits inside. This is a pretty good, decent bag to have like for traveling and stuff like that. So I really enjoyed that it came with this little bag, and all of the products inside the little advent calendar box fit perfectly into this little bag, and I really enjoyed it. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. That is everything that came into the advent calendar star box situation. Overall, I really like the products. There was a couple full-size products, but the majority was travel size. MAC is pretty expensive overall, so I feel like you're still gonna get a lot of the products for a cheaper price, whereas if you were to buy them at the MAC store, you would waste a lot of more money. So I do feel like it is I don't feel like you're wasting your money. The products were nice. I feel like I am going to use a lot of the eyeshadows, the lip gloss. The brow set was probably my favorite one. I was the most excited for. But yeah, overall, I really like the products. I think it's really neat. I love how it came in this little star box. I feel like I'm going to keep this just for like decoration. I really enjoyed that. And yeah, guys, that's it. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, I will leave where you guys can buy this advent calendar link down below. So if you guys want to buy it for like a Christmas present for somebody or for yourself, I will leave that link down below. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and I will leave all of my social media links down below. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.